Bakit nga ba pag dumarating ang babae sa edad na 40-50, nade-depress na, Dok? Ano ba ang dapat gagawin? Ask Doc Ada. Let's ask.
Hello! 40? Naku, bata pa yung 40. Dapat anong mangyayari pag 60? Ang bagong 40 ngayon ay 60. Okay, tandaan nyo yan. Siguro, number 1, kailangan dapat masaya. Madaming self-care practices na pwede nating siguro i-engage in para sumaya tayo. Number 1, exercise. Naku, hindi tayo naglakad today. Nandito tayo nakaupo sa golf cart imbis na maglakad. Exercise is connected with long life. 4 to 5 times a week, 30 minutes a day, dapat mag-exercise kayo. Mag-sweat, akyat, baba ng hagdanan, or miski na paikot-ikot lang sa inyong bahay, basta maka 5,000 to 8,000 steps. Okay. Number 2, dapat lumalayo tayo paminsan sa ating stress factors.
Yes.
Number 1 talaga ang pwede natin gawin, katulad ng weekends. Pumunta kayo miski na sa labas ng inyong bahay. Basta makakita lang kayo ng berde. Greens. The green, the fertility, the fresh air that will actually, you will get from all the greens that you see from the leaves. Yan. Anong tawag dito? Fresh and breathe the fresh air.
Yes.
Makikita nyo lahat yan. Environmental wellness is key to one's sustainability. So, that's the second. Third, diet. Kailangan may diet. Konting controls pang pagkain. Tandaan natin, kakain tayo. Hindi jejeta na wala kayong kakainin. Dapat kakain tayo ng breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Breakfast, yun ang pinakamalaking meal. Pagdating ng lunch, kalahati ng kinain nyo nung breakfast, yun ang lunch proportion nyo. Pagdating ng dinner, ayan na, para na kayong matanda, na halos wala na kayong kakainin. Pagkatapos nyo, matulog ng 6 to 7 hours a day without drinking any medication. That will actually lead to one's happiness. Para pagising ng umaga, sabi ni Sandra Bullock, when you step out your house, it's as if you can dance because you know that each step that you take will change the world that you will step in. Okay?